Hello children, let's continue our third chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 33. Today we discuss about ginning. So what is ginning? When cotton balls are mature, they are picked up from the fields by hand or by machines. Cotton is then separated from their seeds by combing. This process is called ginning. A cotton gin is a machine that is used to separate cotton fibers from the seeds. Cotton fibers separated from cotton seeds are called lint. So children, what is ginning? So ginning is the process through which we remove the seeds from the cotton. Then comes to spinning. The process of making yarns from fibers is called spinning. In spinning, the fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. The spinning process helps hold the fibers together and makes the yarn strong, smooth and fine. Spinning can be done by using a simple device called takli or spindle or a hand operated chakra. Spinning on a large scale is done by modern spinning machines in textile mills. So this is the picture of a takli. This is chakra. This is modern spinning machine. So what about spinning? Spinning is the process from which we make thread from a mass of cotton. Then comes to weaving. The yarns are then woven to make fabric. The process of interlocking two sets of yarns at right angles to make a fabric is called weaving. Weaving is done on looms. A loom is a device that is used to weave cloth. Hand operated looms are called hand looms, and the ones that run on electricity are called power looms. So children, what is weaving? Weaving is a craft of forming fabric by interlocking threads. So this is cotton ball, children. After that, we do the ginning process. Ginning is the removing the seeds from cotton. After ginning, then we do spinning. Spinning means to make thread from a mass of cotton. After spinning, then weaving. Weaving is the craft of forming fabric by interlocking threads. So children, turn the page. This is the picture of a weaving on a hand loom. This is the power loom picture. Characteristic feature of cotton clothes. Cotton clothes have the following special features. First one, These are environment friendly because they are biodegradable. 2 number, cotton clothes usually last much longer than clothes made of other materials. So, they are durable. Third one is cotton fabric is extremely soft. Fourth one is cotton is porous. Porous means allowing liquid or air to pass through. Cotton is porous in nature. It allows air to circulate through, thus keeping the body cool. So children, about cotton you clear and you learn the important points, characteristics, and you learn what is spinning, what is skinning, then what is weaving. Thank you.